Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace windshield wipers blade on Audi A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8 in 8 easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here we have an Audi A4 B9 from 2018. You have to use this selector from the center console. So first press on the start stop engine button to turn the ignition on. Press on the menu button to access the main menu on the center display. Then select car from the main menu on the center display. Then move the selector button to the left side to access servicing and checks. And here you select wiper change position. And when you do that, you will see the wipers will be in the service position. Then pull up the wiper's arm and then press on that small button from the blade to slide it up. Press and slide. So here is the small square button from the blade. Then install the new blade and put the wipers blade back on the windshield. You can find new wipers blade in the video description below. Then go back in the car and deselect wiper change position, following the same steps. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.